Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I want to show you how to edit job alerts on LinkedIn. So first thing you will have to do is to go over to the job section, click on that. Then simply click on preferences right here and then click on job alerts. Now here you should see listed all of your job alerts and you can actually manage it. In order to edit it, you will have to click on this pencil icon right next to it. Then you can see what all you can edit. Alert frequency, you can set it to daily or weekly. Notification type, you can set it to email and notification, to email or only notification. You can also get notified or similar jobs just by dragging this on and off. You can also delete this job alert and set up a new one if you don't like the current one. It is really simple. Once you are done, just press save and press done to save your changes. So thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.